How to activate CIBC debit card? At first, logging into your CIBC online banking account. Then navigate to the section for managing your debit card or account setting. Look for an option to activate your card and follow the provided instruction. If you have the CIBC mobile banking app, you can open and activate your debit card directly from the app. Logging into the app, find the section for managing your cards and follow the prompts to activate your new card. You may also be able to activate your CIBC debit card at a CIBC ATM. Insert your card into the ATM and follow the instruction on the screen to activate it. You can contact CIBC customer service. They can assist you with activating your debit card over the phone or provide further guidance on how to activate it using other methods. Thanks for watching.